Hey guys! Are you want to buy best tire shines? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best tire shines that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at CarGuy's TSS180Z KIT. CarGuy's TSS180Z KIT has to be the most well-balanced option on our list. For starters, most tire shines, true to the term, only work with tires and, sometimes, rims. But this product, in addition to tires, can be used on interior and exterior plastic parts, vinyl, and other types of rubber. It acts as an auto trim and plastic restorer, renewing old and faded surfaces. Of course, you probably wouldn't want all of those surfaces to look the same. That's where the microfiber applicator pad comes in. With its help, you'll be able to choose a shade anywhere between a rich deep black and a wet-looking high-gloss glaze shine. It will let you maintain your wheel wells and tires, all while separating them from each other. Best of all, what we have here is a spray and not a paste like the previous entry on this list. That makes application so much easier. You just spray it on the pad or directly onto the surface and you're good to go. Plus, packed full of the company's very own polymer sealant additives, the substance is particularly durable and effective. Its effects are instantly visible and, dissimilar to the formula's often subpar competition, those effects last for weeks, not days. Again, CarGuy's TSS180Z KIT is about as balanced of a product as tire shines get. The dry-to-the-touch formula bonds to your tires, so you don't get any sling. It makes car detailing quick and easy. You can use it on a bunch of different surfaces and car parts. Now our second product is CarGuy's Wheel Leaner. CarGuy's WCG180Z is a wildly successful product even by the company's relatively high standards. As far as we can tell, the key to it is the solution's effectiveness and a touch of versatility. Unlike most tire shines, this substance works just as great for rims and wheels in general. Most people have no idea how corrosive the road with all of its elements is to their car. Take salt, for example. Looks harmless enough, right? Well, despite its harmless appearance, salt eats away at your wheels, damaging protective clear coats and quickly creating rust spots. With this water-based solution, you'll be able to quickly and safely wash that salt away. Apart from salt, this tire shine is just as effective against grime, dirt, grease, brake dust, and just general road tar. Though the solution is really robust and powerful, it does not damage your wheels. You can use it on alloy, aluminum, anodized, chrome, painted, polished, clear-coated, and plastic-dipped rims and you won't do a shred of damage to them, aside from making the rims look fresh and striking. The shine clings to wheels, giving very little runoff for tremendous cleaning power. It is completely safe even on the most expensive, high-end braking systems, exhaust tips, and calipers. To rephrase our earlier point, CarGuy's WCG180Z is a successful product for a very good reason. It doesn't cost that much more than its underwhelming counterparts. It is much safer than the rest of them. It doesn't just make your wheels look good, but also keeps them in a top-notch condition. Plus, it leaves no mess behind. Our third product is Trinova 33511 Tire Shine Spray. Trinova 33511 is the cheapest product in this review. But, for the most part, it does not reflect on its quality. Sure, the shine has its flaws. It is only suitable for tires, which isn't a flaw in and of itself given that this is a tire shine review after all. But, if you do manage to get some on the body of your car or the discs, it can be a little difficult to remove the shine. Then again, we can hardly hold it against the product. It does its job and it does it well. It even lets you choose between a low, medium, and high shine, which is pretty impressive for a seemingly basic prospect. Simply apply the shine to your tires and, the longer you leave it on before wiping it away, the more shine you will see. The solution gives your tires a layer of protection against the harmful ultraviolet rays, minimizing the signs of aging. It also protects the tires against just about every outside element in the book, including grime, dirt, grease, salt, water, and even brake dust and road tar. Finally, the solution decreases the number of cracks and the chances of their appearance due to changes in temperature. Bottom line, Trinova 33511 makes tire maintenance simple, quick, and affordable. The roads include many harmful elements that eat away at your wheels. With this tire shine, you'll be able to negate the adverse effects of these elements and make those tires look fresh and new. It works for motorcycle tires as much as it does for car tires. Now number 4, Meguiar's G7516 Endurance Tire Gel. Meguiar's G7516 Endurance Tire Gel is a premium tire care product designed to deliver long-lasting shine and protection. Its advanced formula features a high-performance polymer blend that adheres to tires, creating a protective barrier against UV rays, dirt, and road grime. This reduces the risk of browning and cracking, keeping tires looking like new for weeks. One of the standout features is its rich, gel-based consistency, which ensures an even application without the risk of overspray or streaks. The gel penetrates deeply, enhancing the blackness of tires with a sleek, wet look that resists fading even in harsh weather. A little product goes a long way, making it cost-effective for regular maintenance. Meguiar's Endurance Tire Gel also minimizes sling-off, keeping your vehicle's body clean while offering a professional-grade finish. Ideal for car enthusiasts, it's easy to apply with a foam applicator, ensuring precise results. For those seeking a durable and glossy tire dressing, this gel is a top-tier choice. And our last choice is Adams Polish's Graphene Tire Dressing. Adams Polish's Graphene Tire Dressing offers superior tire care with advanced graphene technology, providing a high-gloss finish and long-lasting protection. This innovative formula creates a durable shield that resists UV damage, cracking, and fading, ensuring your tires stay in excellent condition. Its water-repellent properties also help keep tires cleaner for longer by reducing dirt and grime buildup. Unlike traditional dressings, the graphene-infused formula offers exceptional durability, maintaining its effect through rain and washes. The non-greasy texture ensures easy application, leaving behind a smooth, streak-free shine. Additionally, its quick-drying nature prevents sling-off, keeping your vehicle's body panels clean. Adams Polish's Graphene Tire Dressing also allows for customizable finishes. Apply a single coat for a subtle satin look or multiple layers for a glossy, wet appearance. Ideal for enthusiasts and daily drivers alike, this dressing combines aesthetics, durability, and protection, making it a standout choice for maintaining tire health and appearance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.